Hello and welcome to SOTA Spotlight. Today, we're diving into a surprising move by Apple in the AI world. Apple quietly dropped a 400,000 image dataset, Pico-Banana 400K, to fix photo editing instead of just chasing AI agents. Imagine 400,000 perfect photo editing examples. Apple's release will transform how AI understands creative requests.
That's a bold claim. What makes this dataset so special?
Unlike most synthetic AI data, this uses real photographs, covering nearly all Photoshop capabilities and beyond. Pico-Banana 400K is essentially teaching AI to be a master photo editor.
I'm curious about the range of edits. Are we talking basic corrections or something more advanced?
It goes way beyond basic adjustments, with 35 operations across 8 categories, from replacing objects to adding atmospheric effects, even transforming people into Pixar or Lego figures.
That's fascinating. How are these edits created?
Google's Nano Banana AI generated the edits, and Gemini 2.5 Pro evaluated them for realism and accuracy.
What surprises me most is that they're including failed attempts.
Exactly. 56,000 pairs of successful and failed edits provide a complete roadmap of what works and what doesn't. Global style changes had a 93% success rate, but precise tasks like moving objects dropped below 60%.
The implications for video editing must be enormous. How could this transform that field?
Imagine combining this with Azure's SOTA. You could create smooth transitions between states, not just static images, like turning day into night as a beautiful time lapse, not a jarring switch.
So what's stopping someone from just downloading this and building a commercial product?
It's under a Creative Commons non-commercial license. Apple wants researchers to advance technology, not immediately commercialize it. Cleverly, they included 72,000 multi-turn sequences, showing how complex transformations can be broken down.
The learning approach seems incredibly thorough. How do they handle different ways people request the same edit?
They included both long and short instructions, like gradually increase brightness and make it brighter. This helps AI understand different ways people might ask for the same thing.
Looking ahead, what do you think will be the biggest impact of this dataset?
We'll see a complete transformation in how we interact with visual content. Imagine never having to learn Photoshop. You just tell your device what changes you want, and it understands perfectly. This dataset lays the groundwork for that.
That would certainly democratize creative tools. But what about the technical challenges?
The dataset shines by teaching AI to make dramatic changes while preserving unchanged parts of an image. It's like performing surgery on a photo, modifying only what's intended without disturbing anything else.
The future of creative tools is looking pretty exciting, isn't it?
It really is. This was thoughtfully put together, a carefully curated resource addressing real challenges. This is just the beginning. Researchers working with this dataset will likely bring innovations we haven't imagined.
Well, it sounds like we're on the verge of a creative revolution in how we edit and manipulate images.
Absolutely. It will make powerful, creative tools accessible to everyone, not just technical experts. That's the kind of democratization of technology that really excites me about the future.